Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to deposit a money order as a member of a National University student organization. So, why are student organizations being asked to deposit money orders? During COVID, National University campuses cannot accept cash deposits for student organizations. This is both for the protection of the health of NU employees as well as the safety of your club's funds. We encourage all student organizations to use contactless electronic forms of payment during this time, such as the Square app, and that can be used for any club financial activities, or the Square web form, and that's currently for club dues only. Please remember that club funds cannot be routed through a personal account, even temporarily. So, for example, if you're having a fundraiser, you can't collect cash, deposit that cash into your personal bank account, and then make a deposit to your club's account using Square, even if that money is in your personal bank account just for a short period of time. So, if you need to deposit cash into your student organization bank account, you will need to deposit it in the form of a money order. So, how do money orders work? Money orders may be new to you, but rest assured they're simple and easy. And if you buy them at the right place, they are really expensive, often less than $1, especially if it's a sum of money less than $500 or $1,000. So if you want to find some local options, the easiest thing is just to Google money order. You can get one at a bank, but that's usually going to be the most expensive option, usually around $10, sometimes even more than that. You shouldn't be paying that much for a money order. Much less expensive options include USPS. They're usually around $1.50, depends on how much you're depositing, or Walmart, where as of the time of this recording, they were a maximum of 88 cents. So that was the least expensive option I found. But there are many, many places that do money orders. So look around for what's local to you and inexpensive. Do bring some government issued ID as you may be asked to provide it, especially if you're sending a large sum of money. It's not always the case, but you want to be prepared. When you give that money to the cashier, double check that the amount you're seeing on the money order, like in that sample money order on the left, matches what you gave them and that the date is correct. Then you're going to have to fill it out by hand, just like you would any kind of paper check. So in the Pay To section, you're going to make it payable to National University student organizations. And you're going to enter the address that appears on this slideshow, this P.O. box number in San Diego. That's going to be the address you're going to use for any deposits made at National University. So even if you're used to doing finance at a certain campus, just send it all to San Diego, please. Really important. All of the student organizations share a single checking account, so it's absolutely crucial that you include the name and the 3-digit account code of your specific student organization in the memo field. So if you're the National University Math Club and your account code is 834, put all of that information in the memo field. That's really important. In the From section, you're going to enter your own name and your own home address. And once you have filled out the money order, just as with any kind of paper check, you're going to need to deliver it. It's just like a check you'd write on your personal banking account. So we are not having in-person delivery of checks at this time. So just mail it through the USPS to the address listed above, to that same P.O. box listed. So safety and good financial practices, just to be aware of, real common sense. Just as you would be careful leaving an ATM because somebody who wants to pickpocket knows folks leaving an ATM usually have money in their pockets, be mindful when you're entering an establishment that offers money orders because the same logic applies. People know you're going in there with cash. So just be aware of your surroundings and conceal your money carefully. Very important. When you complete the money order, you will get a receipt with a serial number. Save this receipt. We recommend you not only save the physical receipt, but take a picture of it and store it with your club financial records. This will be the only way to track your funds. Otherwise, it's just like cash. So be sure to save that receipt with that serial number. As always, please allow up to 30 days for funds to be credited to your account. And as always, just email clubs@nu.edu if you have any question about the status of your deposit. When you contact us, include all the information we might need: the name of your student org, when you deposited the money order, what the amount was. If you want to include a copy of that receipt or that serial number, the more information you can provide with us upfront, the quicker and easier it will be for us to follow up. So that is it in terms of depositing money orders. Thank you so much for following these processes. This is going to protect NU staff and your club funds. So thank you very much. And as always, email us at clubs@nu.edu if you have any questions.